Hey guys, it's Robert. I thought I'd do a quick video here to show you how to charge a one-cell battery on the Spectrum microcharger. Battery being used in this video is the Spectrum one-cell 800 milliamp pack. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to plug in the JST connector to the charger. You're going to press the button, and you'll notice the little A came up next to the amperage. You're going to dial the amperage up to 0.80 because that is 1C on an 800 milliamp pack. Hold the button down. Now that the battery's charging, you'll notice there's an L with a 4.20 volts next to it. So that means this battery is actually almost fully charged. So as soon as the battery is completely charged, the red light will turn green and you will know the battery is completely charged. So guys, this is also the same charger that you can use to actually charge the little micro batteries here used on a lot of the UMX planes and micro drones. You can use this charger to charge these. And what's cool about this charger is you can charge multiple packs at the same time. So again, this is a much smaller pack. This is a one cell 3.7 volts. This is only a 150 milliamps. So this is a tiny pack. So if you want to charge one of these, over here you're going to plug this one into the charge port. So this is only a 150 milliamp pack, so I'm going to charge it at a 2C rating, so that would be 0.3. We're going to hold the button down again. Okay, so this battery is charging also. You'll notice this battery is at 3.92 volts. So as soon as this battery gets to fully charged, the light will turn green. So as you can see, guys, I'm charging two types of packs here. One would be for like the brand new UMX Twin Otter, and the smaller pack would be if you're using one of the Hobby Zone Sport Cubs or a Nano helicopter. So guys, when the battery is fully charged, the green light will come on and the display will read full. And then what you do is you hold the button down, and then when the green light goes out, you can pull off your battery, and the battery is charged. We're going to just wait for the small battery to go off. It should go off pretty soon now because you can see it's at 4.2 volts. So as soon as this light turns green, we will pull that battery off and we are done charging these batteries. Hey guys, I will put a link in the description, so if you want to pick up one of these chargers, you can use one of my affiliate links to get one. It does pay me a small commission, but does not change the price. And if you have not done so, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And then if you're on a mobile device and you want to know when I'm uploading new content, please hit that little bell notification so you'll hear a little ding. Guys, thanks for watching this video. More tips and tricks videos like this coming soon. Have a great week.